Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to seal a Ziploc bag. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this awesome instructional video. Okay, so let's say you have a Ziploc bag just like this, and it's open and you want to seal it shut. There's an easy way to do this. It's really simple, but you need to understand sort of how it works. So I'm going to give you a close-up view. Essentially, on a Ziploc bag, there are going to be two sides, okay? One side is going to have a double sort of layer. You can see right here, there are two openings right here, if you can see. There's three lines, and within those three lines, there are two spaces. If you're learning music, right, you'll know that in music, you have the staff, right? And within the, or you have a clef, let's say, so like the treble clef is gonna have 5 lines and 4 spaces, right? So there's gonna be one less space than there are lines, right? So you can see this side over here has 3 lines and 2 spaces. This side over here, as you can see, the other side has 2 lines and 1 space. It's kind of hard to see, but it has 2 lines and 1 space, okay? So the idea is that the 2 lines on this side are going to go and coincide with the 2 spaces on this side, okay? And the 1 space on this side is going to correspond with that middle line on this side, okay? And the outer 2 lines on this side are going to go around the sort of the outer 2 lines on this side, okay? So essentially, this right here, the smaller side with only 2 lines and 1 space, is going to go vertically centered, okay? So centered on this bigger side over here with the 3 lines and the 2 spaces. Essentially, these 2 lines, okay, are going to be surrounding the middle line over here, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to line them up. Now, luckily for you, the edge of the bag is already lined up. So all that you really have to do is line up both edges of the bag. Once you've lined up both edges of the bag, you're going to take your fingers, your thumb and another finger, so your thumb and your index, let's say, okay? And you're going to press it shut and listen for the click. There you go. When you hear that click, hold your fingers there. You know it's lined up. You're going to slide your fingers across, okay? And you're going to hear all the clicks all the way through. It's kind of hard to hear, but listen closely. Okay, so as you heard right there, all of those clicks meant that it was being sealed shut. Now, here's the caveat. If you started right at the end, you're probably okay. But let's say you started over here. There might be one little click on that side that you started on that you didn't get shut. So what I like to do is now go, because I know I went all the way to this side for sure. So then I like to go all the way through to the other side. So start over here, go all the way through to the original side that you started on, and you are absolutely done. You have closed and sealed shut a Ziploc bag. Very simple, very easy to do. And yeah, you can see right here, like, look, there's like no air getting in it, as you can see right here. Look at that. So you can see, it's like, it's closed. Like I'm trying to stretch it, and it won't even stretch apart. It's just sort of suctioning to each side. Okay? So that is basically it. That is how to do it. And hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet, while at the same time explaining how it works so you sort of understand what's actually happening. Instead of just doing it, you know what's going on as you're doing it. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.